Oyo herdsmen crisis. We are sorry. Fulani leaders beg for forgiveness. Two Fulani leaders, the Seriki Fulani of Igbora, Alhaji Idris Abubakar, and the Seriki Fulani of Erowa, Alhaji Sule Muhammad, have begged for forgiveness. The Fulani leaders assured the people of Oyo State that they would facilitate peaceful coexistence in Ibarapa land. The community leaders spoke during a visit of the state government delegation to the town on Sunday. At the meeting, residents of Iganga in the Ibarapa area of Oyo State recounted their ordeals in the hands of Fulani herdsmen. The community also presented to the delegation pictures and other evidence of ransom paid to the herdsmen. They accused the Seriki Fulani of complicity in the negotiation of ransom. During the meeting, those who paid ransom to the bandits presented pictorial evidence to back up their claims. The traditional ruler of Iganga, the Asiganga of Iganga, Oba Abdulaziz Adeoye, whose cousin was kidnapped, tendered evidence of the ransom he paid to secure his release. Oba Adeoye confirmed to Punch that victims and their families came to the meeting with photographs to back up their claims. He said, "Our people brought photos. I also showed the evidence of ransom paid for one of my children." Thank you for listening to this news. Um, you see, before I start saying anything, so it will look as if I am being biased over this. Let's hear what the people have to say from the comment section. All right. This very person is saying that don't listen to them. Okay, they are only trying to buy time to re-strategize. The Fulani will never change. They must pay for all atrocities committed by them. Nobody wants to have them around them. Nobody wants to see them around them. Nobody wants to experience them. Well, to me, there is nothing like I am sorry. Yes, the people of Oyo should accept the apology anyway, but then they should allow them to go. Let them go. Let them go. That is the best thing. The best thing. What is chasing them from their own states and their region? What is chasing them? What is chasing them? That is what I don't know. That is what I don't know. Let them go to their own state and continue their rearing in their own state. And there will be peace. There will be peace. What is the problem with their state? What is happening in their state? What is chasing them from their state? To me, the best thing for the people of Oyo is not to accept the apology, but let them go. That you forgive them doesn't mean they forgive them and accept them back in Oyo doesn't mean or stop them from going on with the atrocity. In fact, accepting them back will become the most dangerous, because that is when they will not have confidence to go on with their evil. And when they go on with their evil, believe you me, you cannot chase them out again. They will now build a very strong force that will keep them and make them to to be to rub shoulders with you in case of any subsequent attack. Don't you know? That's what this commenter is trying to say. Forgiving them and allowing them back is giving them the chance to re-strategize. Oh, you see that? So what are we talking about? You don't need to forgive. You don't need to let them in. You can forgive them, but don't accept them back to your state. Don't take them back. You are causing more menace by doing that. You are inviting more menace by doing that. So let them go. Let them go. Don't give them that chance of staying back. Let them go so that there will be peace. Do you understand? You people have tolerated enough. See the number of people that died. Look at Sunday Igboho now. Sunday Igboho is having issue with the state and federal government just because of them. So what's the need? They should go so that there will be peace. So there will be peace. You don't need to have anything to do with people like this. You don't need it. Let them go and experience their living together. That is southwest. It is not the northern region. Do you understand? Let them know that maybe they are not aware. They are not aware, I think. Because if they are aware, they wouldn't have been behaving the way they are behaving. Because their behavior is uncalled for. It's uncalled for. Alright? So, though I support you to forgive them, but don't accept them back. Don't accept them back in any way because they don't deserve you. They don't deserve you and can never deserve you. Okay? So please and please, my viewers, what is your take on this? Deem it free to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.